In this video, I will show how to buy shares of Zevra Therapeutics Inc., a biotech company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker ZVRA. This is a quick, educational walkthrough and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I use eToro as a neutral example. After signing up, you will be asked to verify your identity, typically with an ID document, and to add funds before you can place orders. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ZVRA to find Zevra Therapeutics Inc. Make sure you select the listing that shows NASDAQ to locate the correct stock. On the asset page, check basic company information and the price chart to confirm it matches Zevra Therapeutics Inc. Verify the ticker ZVRA and the exchange before proceeding. Choose the Investor Buy button, enter the amount you want to spend, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may execute when trading reopens. If you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add more before confirming. Once purchased, your position will appear in your portfolio. For the example link I used, check the description below.